Apologize for the technical difficulties. Glad to say our newscast is moving on. So today is the start of World Water Week, and here now is Katie Motika, the Development and Partnerships Director for the Clean Lakes Alliance of Dane County, to explain some easy ways that we can all make a difference here at home and makes a difference around the world, really. So thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
First, let's talk about what is World Water Week and how did it start?
World Water Week actually coincides with World Water Day, which is a global event that goes on around the world in order to bring awareness about clean drinking water and how water is not free around the world. And it's actually very hard for people to get around the world. So what the Clean Lakes Alliance has done is last year it started to partner with restaurants around the Madison area to bring awareness, the fact that water is not free. And actually in Europe, when you go, you have to pay for your drinking water.
Yeah.
And when you go to California to go to restaurants, you have to actually ask for water. So the Clean Lakes Alliance has done is actually partnered with these restaurants and are asking people to donate $1 for their drinking water that they normally would just be brought to the table for free.
And so this is an event that's going on all week, so people can dine out at, I think I counted 28 participating restaurants?
Yes, actually started today, and there are some restaurants that offer breakfast. There are restaurants that offer, 3 meals a day up until, bar close. And all of these restaurants and bars are participating, and you can find the list on our website as well as on our Facebook page.
And here's kind of a look at what we have here. $1 for that free tap water will make a huge difference. We have another graphic I want to show everybody at home. Let's go through some simple ways that people can make a difference in their daily lives. What would you recommend?
Well, people can, a Madison resident actually can consume up to 68 gallons of water a day. So some ways that you can reduce water wastage is fix leaky faucets, install low flow shower heads, fix or replace older water softeners, install water management systems, and compost food waste.
Is there one of those that you think is the easiest?
Well, I do like a high pressure shower head, but I think that would be very easy, as well as a water softener. I think the fix or replace your water softener would probably be a really easy thing to do. A lot of people have old ones that
need to be done anyway.
And reduce the amount of salt that you're putting on your driveway as well.
And I was reading that an average 10-minute shower takes 40 gallons of water.
Yes, yes.
I don't know that people realize that if they cut a few minutes off of their shower, they would save a lot of water.
Yes, and actually taking a bath actually can also reduce the amount of water that you consume.
Oh yeah, because you have a set amount versus having it fly through.
Exactly.
Very good. Katie, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. We want to let you know that if you want to learn more about World Water Week or see a list of those participating restaurants, just log on to our web channel and click on news links. Have a good week, and we'll see you right after the break.